for all. That's what this is going to be. It's called Crossfire. Welcome back to SL Chennai Speaks Out on this debate on public display of affection. Your time starts now.
We have all seen the hollowness of their arguments. Can I ask you a direct question, Arun?
Yeah.
Would you, with your wife, if you get married, with your wife, go down to Marina Beach and in full public view, kiss her in the mouth? Yes or no?
Well, you make it sound very clinical, as if it's like
Not
an activity.
clinical, it's factual. We are not talking. Let me tell you very clearly, we are not talking about holding hands at all in this debate.
Absolutely.
It is not that kind of affection we are talking about. We are talking about perverse behavior in public.
Right. I'm saying, sir, you're making emotion sound very clinical and well rehearsed, but unfortunately it's not. Affection it's a moment. I look at a nice wave and I feel all romantic.
Would you in a moment, let me rephrase, would you in a moment of weakness, in a public place like Marina where thousands of people kiss your wife in the mouth?
Absolutely. If I'm not
yes, you will.
Absolutely.
Oh
if I'm only no. Only if it does not corrode her dignity. You see, that is the question.
Who defines it? You cannot define it.
women.
Some people watching around who
people
define
involved
it. If you have a moment of weakness, do it in the confines of a bedroom.
See, you're being
not
very,
in public,
you're being
boss.
very compulsive. What
If ever you do that, you're going to
behaving.
corrode the values, the morals,
Yes,
for which we all live for.
Let me answer to your question. You're being very compulsive and you're being very high-handed and patriarchal like the rest of the country for deciding for that woman who is being kissed. You're not allowing her to make a choice. You think that she's not competent enough, so you want to step into her pants and tell her, look,
you have every right to kiss your wife. Your wife has every right to get kissed, but not in public where people like us are not in front of the public.
What happens at Elliott's Beach or Marina Beach? Two people, male and female, friends, whatever, we don't care. Hold hands and walk in. There are police chasing them. There
that
are more
is what you say.
No, that's
what you
the
say.
reality.
No, that's
And
what
Mr.
everybody
Hussain,
says. That's what everybody
that
says.
is the reality that most of
No
the people
youngsters
facing
are
today.
punished
That
just
is
because
the
they're holding
situation.
hands.
Of
Please
course.
go down.
What are you talking about?
Please.
Go to Elliott's Beach, hold hands with somebody.
You do not
and
go
you will know.
You do not go to Marina Beach or Elliott's Beach just to hold hands. The holding hand goes a little above. It goes to the shoulder. Then it slips elsewhere.
Wait.
Please, boss.
You seem to have a lot of
Look at that. You go to Marina Beach to hold hands.
Am I being perverse or is he being perverse? I am not orchestrating the event.
Exactly.
I am telling you not to be pervert.
See, when you
Please, boss.
when you want to debate an issue with the real pros and cons and real aspects of the issue, do that. Don't trivialize the issue. Because that's what happens.
Okay, can we hear a proper argument from you? Not about holding hands, but other things that it is okay. One proper argument from both of you. Let's hear boss. Let's hear it.
Right, sir. If you could give us a chance. In an age of globalization, is extreme amount of interaction between both sexes at college, at workplaces, and if you're going to be sexually awkward,
interaction, but not sexual interaction in a public place.
Sir.
That's what we're
respectfully speaking, and putting your anal arguments into perspective, I think there is a huge market for pornographic material in this country. What does that say? That says that we are all high-handed, moral people. In our dark rooms, we can watch.
Pornography has worldwide market.
Exactly, but worldwide they don't get beaten up for holding hands.
Both of you are just going out of the topic and discussing everything else but the topic, but the subject. But the subject. He talks about perspective. She talks about diversity. But nobody has given one proper argument.
We are talking about hypocrisy. We are talking about the whole perception of vulgarity. Vulgarity. The perception of vulgarity. What do you consider as vulgar? And where would you draw the line about vulgarity?
How are you going to draw the line?
Where are you going to draw the line about vulgarity? For you, for a lot of people, holding hands is vulgarity. The moment you start drawing lines, it becomes a problem.
Please.
I think in this
Nobody
country,
in Chennai or the state or the country has ever been penalized for holding hands. It is only when you go beyond the limit, you start fondling, you start kissing, you start smooching. That is the time when the law comes there.
No,
but again, let me tell you, the others do not have a...
Moral police which draws this line is seriously insulting the intelligence of young people. And
if the intelligence of young people is about smooching or kissing in public, I really wonder what kind of intelligent world that we are all living in.
You have every right to decide what you want to do in public and how much you want to take it forward. When in a country where you have, at age of 18, you vote. You are capable of deciding the future of this country at the age of 18.
But just at the age of 18 does not give you a right to go to a public place and start behaving in a vulgar manner.
This is absolutely hypocrite, narrow-minded.
Please don't use the word hypocrite without knowing the right meaning of it, all right? Please tell me, what is hypocrisy here? I am asking you a straight question. Will you be able to, after you get married or right now, will you be able to go to Edward Elliott Beach, embrace embrace diversity with your wife, and then indulge? You haven't been able to do that.
Right, sir, listen. to put it in perspective, you're in a theater.
Perspective, I've heard enough of your perspective.
But
Tell me, use some of the words.
unfortunately, I've not received any from your side. You see, that's the whole point. You're in a movie theater, you're watching pelvic thrusting on screen. You're okay with that, but you're not okay with couple of people necking
and start the same display in public.
on the con. You're all right. You're all right.
You can watch it display there on
Movie
the
theater is a
screen,
public
boss.
place.
You can't do
Movie
that
theater
in
is
the
a public
theater.
place. You're okay with
Just imagine, no? They looks at
women
a
clad in
public
tight
trust.
blouses,
I have a right
but
to
then
do
you're not
that.
okay.
Media, when, you know, and this is the problem with when you have moral police going gaga over some particular incident. I mean, the voyeuristic media goes out and flashes the same photograph that's supposed to be corrupting on the front pages.
She's talking
That's
about a
not right.
voyeuristic
That's not
media.
right. That's
Who
not
gives
right.
fodder to this voyeuristic media? People like you who believe in public display, give fodder to them. That's it. Otherwise, why would they take cameras and then show? Every other day in the newspaper, we see photographs and snippets of
We
people
are a
in Marina
country
misbehaving.
where we are
Go
a
down to the
country of
Marina,
Indian
go down to
culture
Edward
where
Jali's
Naga
beach,
sadhus
take a walk in
walk
the afternoon, then
We
you
are
will know
a
what is
country where
immorality.
Naga sadhus also walk naked on the streets. You're talking about public display.
Come again, I didn't get
We
you.
have Naga sadhus who walk naked in the streets.
I'll tell
What
you.
do you talk about public display of religion? I'm saying
So you will walk naked in the streets?
wait.
Because
I'm not
public
saying
Nagas
that.
walk naked.
I'm not
They
saying
are
that.
sadhus, they are living like that.
Mr. Shihab.
Their culture is that. But that does not mean you can say,
That's-
Naga
that's not
sadhus
Indian
are
culture.
walking
Give an
nude, so I have the right to walk nude
Sir.
in public space. What are you talking about?
Let me give
You
Mr.
are not
Kannan
in
one
this-
example or you one example. There is a train situation, right? In a train, there are two guys. There's no space. A guy is sitting on another guy on his lap and he's holding him. We are all right, right? If just replace one of that person with a woman, there is no sexual connotation, there is no place, but you will extremely look at her and behave her. Look,
Exactly.
that's the situation. You will call
Let
a
me-
man
let me-
a cultural
let me
stud
look at-
and a
let
woman
me
a
look at the
cultural
people
slut.
who
That
applaud
is the
and
problem.
say,
Exactly,
don't you
exactly.
have the intelligence to know who
Don't
is sitting
intimidate them.
innocently?
You're intimidating them.
No, who is sitting innocently and who
You're
has got
intimidating them for
ulterior
applauding the other
designs.
side.
Nobody is against a person sitting down with noble intentions or because the situation warrants it. Only when you start behaving in a pervert matter, in a manner, that's where our objections start.
Perversity is not only with those two people. You also have to look at them and imagine them to be perverted.
Exactly. The
Right?
vulgarity lies in the eyes of the
That's what. It
beholder.
doesn't take
Oh, yeah,
just
right,
two
right.
people.
Arun, let me frame it this way.
Yeah.
You're a permissive man, you permit things in public? Right? Yes, because you're on that side. You have to say yes, you can't say no. Would you appreciate a man kissing a man in
Why
public?
not? Why
Perfectly,
not? What's
perfectly.
wrong with that?
In
I
public?
think-
What's wrong
Absolutely.
with that?
Absolutely.
What's wrong with
No,
that?
nothing. Thank
I
you
think
very
the
much.
only
Thank you very much.
He's thinking it. What's wrong
Man
with that?
kissing a man.
It's all
I
right.
have every right to choose my partner, whoever from
You
whichever
can
gender.
choose a
person.
partner. You can go down to a place,
Chennai had a gay
you can
pride
ask
march.
the government to
Chennai had a
provide
gay pride
some
march.
places for
Gay
this.
pride parade
Right.
march.
Boss,
It
we're
gives
not
you
talking about
freedom of expression.
homosexuality or the right to decide one's own
Exactly.
sexuality. I'm talking
I'm saying you're
about
sexually uncomfortable.
Who?
That's
Who?
why you're
Exactly,
sexually
exactly.
uncomfortable and you're really, you're okay
I'm
watching
not
your stuff at
protecting
What
home.
are you
opinion of
talking?
others.
Please, what is it talking that I'm uncomfortable about what? I'm asking
People
you,
doing it in
would
public.
you approve
People holding hands in
front
public.
of your parents or your sister, two guys kiss each other and indulge in objectionable behavior?
Look the other way.
Would you agree it?
Look the other way.
Look the other
look
way.
the other way.
What if
the other way.
what
You
if
don't like
on
it,
all
is it?
sides there are guys doing the same?
Sir, you will
What do you
see,
do?
you will
Don't
see
step out of your house.
drunk in the laborers or people outside Tasmac showrooms passed out on the road beating up their wives. That we are not objectionable. You
I
will see
object, I object.
cows
I
on the
strongly
road.
object.
No, I think-
I teach women to hit back.
No,
That is
it-
not
it
what
is
you're
not
doing.
What about-
because this
what
is
about your
not
violent
the-
protest?
This
Still-
is not what the
what about
right
your
wing
violent
groups
protest,
practice.
Mr. Kannan?
But
We
will
Mr.
protest,
Kannan-
sir.
Mr.
What about your
Kannan,
violent
Any
protest?
form
what
of violence
happened
is objectionable.
No, it is not. Unfortunately, it is not, Mr. Kannan, because what has happened with the right-wing groups in Mangalore, they have chosen this as an excuse to go and molest and
That is
beat
wrong.
up women.
That is wrong. I object to it.
And also,
I object to it.
when
And
public,
Mr. Kannan
That,
was
but that is
saying
not the
that-
topic.
And when there was
Sanjay,
public
Sanjay,
in
please. No, I need to
Mangalore,
talk
one
to you.
second.
We are
in
diverting
Mangalore,
from the subject of the debate.
in Mangalore, when there was public outrage against what happened to those pubs there, when people from across the country collected pink jattis and sent that to Pramod Mutalik, you know, shamelessly he actually displayed them in full publicly in front of the cameras. So
That is please.
No, I'm
First of
saying,
all,
I mean, we have a
Sanjay,
fundamental problem,
let me
Sanjay.
please remind
if
you
Mr. Kannan
that
says that love
moral
becomes a law and
policing
order
is-
problem. Mr. Kannan
let him
himself said
speak, let him speak.
that no, 1 minute, I
Sanjay,
just
I
want
need to remind you that this subject, the subject of today's debate is not about moral policing, about misbehaving with
It's a form of moral policing.
Only
It's a form of moral
about
policing.
public display of
It's a form
affection.
of moral
Is
policing.
it right or wrong?
No,
That's
the
all.
problem-
Not
Form
about
of moral
moral
policing.
We are
policing.
not
the problem
disturbing
in
people
your
holding
understanding
hands.
the topic is that the
We
whole
cannot- we
perception.
cannot-
Okay,
I
Kannan,
don't understand.
all
Look
right.
at yourself. Look at
Mr.
them.
Hussain.
Look at them.
No,
and now
let me
who's
ask
not
Kannan.
understanding?
Let me ask Kannan. Let me ask
You guys
Kannan an
are
honest
just talking
question.
nothing but
Honest
hollow,
question to
hollow
Kannan.
arguments,
Honest
you know,
answer.
about this, about that, but you're not
Let me ask your
We-
teammate.
we
Let me
are-
ask your teammate a straightforward question. I want an
we are-
honest
we are
answer.
not-
One second. Straightforward question to your teammate Kannan, and I want an honest answer. Put your hand across your heart and answer this. Why do you go to 10 Downing Street? Do you go to 10 Downing Street or not? I've seen you there.
I have
You
gone.
go.
Yeah.
Why do you go?
See, I used to go there, see what's happening over there.
See.
Wait. It gives me, there is a ladies' night which exploits women. You have a dress code for men. You don't have a dress code for women. You can't go with your bathroom slippers to Downing Street. But women, however they are dressed, they can go in.
Shweta,
Example of a patriarchal society
Exactly,
where we want to make choices for women. You
Exactly.
look, you dress up like the way I want you to dress up.
Exactly.
See, when you
I don't-
offer liquor at free, of course, you drink, then you are exploited. Only women are exploited.
No. What do you think? Men don't get drunk? Men don't
See,
indulge in
when-
violence once they get
No,
drunk?
no,
Only men
no.
don't get exploited. The women get exploited. Who are you to decide what a
See-
woman should be doing or what
See,
how
when
she should be
it
behaving?
is offered only for women.
In a country where Fair and
Yeah,
Lovely
ladies'
ads.
night.
No. In a country where Fair and Lovely ads, VLCC, all this, women should be fair, where your matrimonial section depict the condition of gender sensitivity in this country, you really know that what is the position of women. And in every single PDA, we decide for women. Men want to be the boss. Men want to be
Exactly.
dominating, which is retarded, which is on the level of being so anal retentive. It is in
First
the
of
anal
all,
retentive where
what are we?
women and men are the same.
Arun,
Yeah.
you're not discussing the subject.
Sir,
You are not discussing the subject.
okay.
Where has this got to do
I'm
with
saying,
subject? Tell me.
I'll tell you why this
Now
is
we're
got-
going to women empowerment. We're going to talking about
Why
women
women
suppression.
empowerment is important? Because we can respect dignity of women.
please.
Once we have
Exactly.
dignity of women,
And
I will not
answer-
fondle her up.
answer
I
the
will not
question
fondle her
whether-
up.
No, I'm
Public
saying that
display
when
of
we're talking
vulgarity,
about
perversity is
Indian
right or not?
culture,
Nothing
When-
else.
the
when
day
I'm
our
vulgar-
men learn to respect
Exactly.
women, that's the day Indian culture is actually believed
Please.
and practiced in this country.
We do respect women. I am a
it is
respecter of
not.
women.
If
I
we
teach
respect
women
it-
how to
No,
how
sir.
to defend themselves every single day and night.
If-
But that does not mean women can go down in public and display their affection for men.
Men
Why?
It is wrong.
men fondle
Yes,
women in
totally
salwar
not you. I
kameez.
said
It's the
women
men who
at
are the
large.
problem.
No,
Men
in a
don't
public
realize.
transport, a woman gets harassed left, right, and center,
Exactly.
anywhere. In a
I
public
will be the first person to hit the guy. I have
But-
hit several people. My girls have got awards in the country for hitting back at guys.
No, but you're not
that has
Superman.
got nothing to do with the
Superman.
All of us
Superman
do
is
that.
everywhere.
What is the
Display
subject?
somebody's
Oh
affection.
God.
you have to accept that public display of affection and objections to public display of affection amounts to moral policing. As long as you don't accept that, you will continue to accuse them of going away from the topic.
No, and these are the root cause.
Yeah.
These are some of the
People
symptoms of the
holding
root
hands,
cause.
but there are people who are in a compromising
But
position.
who are you also to
Why
object to
are
people
you
holding
asking
hands?
questions? We have seen people
No, are
making
you
out
trying to
in
say
public.
we are giving you concessions?
You
We
go
won't
down to
object
Edward
if you
Elliot
hold hands.
Beach or other
Exactly.
side,
We'll object if you
go
do
behind
something
the
else.
bushes
See,
and you'll have
holding hands,
everything.
it's not
It's
objectionable.
a result because
God
they
for
don't
small
find
mercies.
space. They don't. This society is so suppressed, and
We don't have
we don't have.
Oh,
any-
look at that.
So the
They
little
don't
bit-
find space, so they go to the public. What an argument. Yeah, beautiful.
Wait,
They don't have place.
Wait.
All right. Now
Listen.
next,
No, no, no,
my
no,
friend is
no,
going to
no.
ask the
I'll
government
tell
to
you why.
provide some small
no,
places
no.
in public so that we can misbehave.
The space
Oh,
is
God.
in your mind.
Please.
You don't want to hold. No, listen to me. Listen, word up. You won't hold your hands of your girlfriend in front of your parents. Where will you hold it? On the road. Because you have got no other option because everybody is so narrow-minded.
So
You are
holding
so
hands.
anal that you're
Not
not.
holding hands, kissing,
Fine.
fondling,
Absolutely.
making out, making love, smooching.
Sir, that is called obscene, which is
That's what
prohibited.
the
That
topic
is
is
not
all about.
public display of
Sanjay,
affection.
you as a moderator tell me
That
this
is not public
debate
display
You'll
of
about-
affection.
you'll have to agree that objections to public display of affection, you can debate the definition of
Absolutely.
that, but objections to public display of affection falls under the rubric of moral policing. The
No,
moment you...
and
yeah.
Sanjay, I would like to bring it over here
See, moral
again.
policing
that
is a
this
response to it.
symptom of the problem
And
that
what
our
is actually
society is
happening
facing.
is objectionable.
This is symptom of the problem again and again. There's no point going back to the same thing of what I consider as objectionable and he considers as objectionable. I'm saying let's look at it in the larger context where we have women being harassed for wearing jeans, where we have colleges, imposing dress codes, and we have to see it in the larger perspective that this is specifically
Because you
targeted
don't
towards
have
women.
specific
This
answers,
is
you're going to the
specifically
larger
targeted
perspective.
towards women.
It's not
It
about-
is
She goes to
showing
larger
the
perspective because she
chauvinistic
doesn't
attitude
have
of our
specific
society.
answers
It
for
is the
specific
patriarchy
questions.
that is
Shweta
playing, which
is-
is not able to deal with the freedom that
Let
the
me-
women have and the freedom of choices that
Let
they've
me ask
gotten
Shweta
with their
and
economic
Arun
freedom.
to satisfy Shihan and Kannan's line of thought. please define for them what is public display of affection according to you, and to what extent it can go.
No, I am nobody to define that. The law is there about obscenity.
Sanjay,
The law is in fact
Sanjay,
not defined.
the law is no. The
Section
problem is
292 of the IPC does
Exactly,
not
292.
specifically define obscenity.
exactly.
It's against the yardstick against the moral standards of society is what it says. There are grey
Because
areas
our morals
there.
are mixed. Because my morals, for me, hugging a woman will be horrible. For him, holding hands will be horrible. For another person, smooching will be horrible. So we can't draw this distinct line.
No,
Yeah,
no, no. We are
fine,
living
sure.
in an intelligent society which
Sir, you're living in a
distinguishes
city
what is
which is
right
not
and what
even
is wrong.
compromised of
Do
the
you
entire
mean to say
country.
that these
We're not
people
even
do not
talking
know
about rural
when a guy is holding
areas.
hands or when the guy's hands goes elsewhere? Don't you know? Don't these people understand?
I'll tell you. You
Shianu
talk about
Saini, one second, one second.
I'll talk
You
about
are
one second, one
declaring
second.
our intelligence.
Once again, since Shianu Saini, I'll give you 2 points, 2 facts. One, the Supreme Court. One second, the Supreme Court is now toying with the idea. Is open. At least there's a matter which is pending in court. Is toying with the idea of legalizing prostitution. The Supreme Court also has said in the Khushbu case that there's nothing wrong with live-in relationships.
But has the Supreme Court talked about prostitution in the public place? In front of everybody? No.
Prostitution is punishable only when it's in a public place.
I'll use your favorite line. You're going out of the subject.
Yeah, boss. He has nothing to say now, but how are we going out of
That's,
the
I think, what you do.
We are talking
If
about
you don't look
public
at the root
display of
causes the
affection.
issue and if you just-
Anything
So tell him the
else
root
you talk.
causes.
No, no.
So give him the root
Listen,
causes.
Hussaini, I'm saying that maybe your opinion is different from ours. That's a different issue altogether. But if we are looking at public display of affection, you cannot stick to these 3 words and think about, debate about the whole issue. We are saying, please open your eyes and look into the issue of root causes of these problems. Why is it that the women are mostly at the receiving end of it? Why is it that somebody else? I'm saying, just think for a second. Why is it that somebody? If we have
Shweta, I
openness
love the
in our
way you
society-
gesticulate. I love the way you gesticulate,
I'm
and you're very,
saying
very
that
evocative in what you're
I'm nowhere
trying to
near
talk
you.
about.
I'm nowhere
Nothing.
near you.
The problem
When
with
we
the
don't want to
opposition.
take anything seriously, let's not trivialize it. I'm saying it's a very serious issue. It's a serious issue because it matters to you, it matters to me, it matters to all the female students who come
Can I
to
sum up
your
what you're
class.
trying to say?
Now
Can
what
I
I'm
sum
saying,
up?
give me a minute. What I'm saying is that we need to get out of our own mental barriers and try to see where this problem is. I'm saying if our society respects the feelings and the decisions of young people, does not clamp them down, does not educate them, if our society stops any form of sex education, why is it wrong? I mean, if it helps protect myself, my interest, I don't see it corrupting.
Your 1 minute is over.
So what
I'm
I'm
very
saying-
impressed.
what
I'm
I'm
very
saying is
impressed.
that if you don't have
I'm very, very
openness,
impressed. To
we will continue
to sum up, she's trying to say that let us not talk about why people are, behaving this way. Let us go to the root. Perfectly right. But it is wrong. So we have to go back to the root and correct young minds in the houses itself that you're not supposed to do like that in a public place. That is it. That's
Your
it.
30 seconds are over.
I never asked for 30 seconds. Oh, yeah,
This is the point.
I love your drama.
Listen,
I love
what
your
we
drama.
need to do
I love the way
is
you
to-
copy me,
Sir,
imitate me,
a
mind me.
decent speaker-
Imitation is the best. Imitation is the best. Way of appreciating.
We are not against sex education.
See, all I'm saying that at this debate, why are we shouting and timing each other?
Well,
Because
it is supposed
this
to be
is the
that
future of a country, future of a society. Sir,
we
please
talk about
please don't.
monotonously in the way because of the way
The
perspective.
bottom
perspective.
line is that
What
we
perspective?
have
What are
to
you discussing
respect
about?
everybody's independence and freedom to choose and their intelligence. Most importantly, we have to respect individuals' intelligence.
At the same time,
we
you
have
need to
nobody
respect
and no
collective
law.
intelligence also. We are talking about the public.
The
As
collective
much as you
intelligence
respect and you
is a
value
summation
your
of all the
intelligence,
males in the
please
room.
make sure that you
Exactly.
respect the public and don't displace
Your
the
definition
vulgarity
of a
in the
collective
public.
intelligence is a summation of the men in the room, right? You're leaving the women behind. Come on, how many
Please don't
times
lean
do we...
back again to women. And
Why
that's
not?
not the,
Wait,
no,
wait.
that's not the subject.
It
That's
is
not.
the matter.
Who am I
Please,
making
it
out
is
with?
about
An
public
animal?
display of affection.
Who
not
am I
about
making
women.
out with? Sir, who am I making out with? An animal?
Look at that.
Inanimate thing? I'm making out with a woman. So give
No,
her a
an
choice to speak
individual.
out.
Or an
No,
I
that's the
also
subject.
talked about a man making out with a man, all right?
Yeah.
So it's not about women, women and
all right.
women.
Before we go into more details, let's not get into greater detail. But let's hear it from the audience in our next round. Stay tuned. Coming up next is the final round where the audience will have their say. It's called Public Punch.